lawyers, policemen,
You
all
got
kinds
hiccups.
of people who do their job with limited immunity or no immunity. It just
He's got
seems hard to
hiccups.
understand why prosecutors have to have a different standard to everybody else.
Seeing that justice is done, in many instances, requires very difficult judgments.
Who's watching
And to
you?
come back behind those
Riley
prosecutors
watching
and
you?
second-guess them, or would throw a wrench into that system of prosecutors seeking justice.
I have to say there's a certain irony in hearing you say it's the job of a prosecutor to seek justice, right? Because in this particular case, that's exactly what Michael Morton
Nice
did
big
not.
awake baby boy.
With the benefit of hindsight, with the benefit of DNA test results that came
hiccups?
available in 2011, you're
Little
absolutely
hiccups.
correct. But the legacy of this case,
Hi,
the
Riles.
Morton case, should not be an effort to vilify prosecutors, either my client